Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change a region in FIFA Mobile. Let's start. To start, open the FIFA Mobile app. Make sure you are signed in with your account. Then tap on the setting icon from your top right corner. As you can see, there is no option available to change the region. To solve this issue, close the app. Go to Settings. Here tap on General. Now tap on iCloud Storage. Find the FIFA Mobile app from the list and tap to open it. The only way to change region on FIFA Mobile is to offload the app and connect a VPN. So tap on Offload App. After that, connect your mobile device with a VPN. Select a location which you want to show on FIFA Mobile. Then connect your VPN with that location. Now go ahead and play FIFA Mobile. This will change your region on it. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.